Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification for new videos. Let's start with the dry ingredients. Then add the flour, sugar, salt, and yeast. Then mix all together. Then for the wet ingredients, you may add the milk, the egg yolk, and then mix thoroughly as well. I've used the dough mixer here. Then you may knead it for 2 minutes in low speed. Then you may add the butter, there's no substitute for this because the better the quality of the butter, the better your ensaymada will be. Then you may start kneading it for another 6 to 8 minutes on medium speed. And don't forget to scrape on the sides from time to time. Manually knead it for a minute or two. And then have it proofed or leave it in a grease bowl for an hour. After an hour, as you can see, it has doubled the size. Punch to release some air bubble. Form it into a ball. Weigh and divide into desired size. This recipe yields to 16 pieces for 60 grams each. Form into a small ball and let it proof for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, start rolling and coiling the dough. switch. Let's brush it with the egg wash. Okay, so brushing with the egg wash is done. Get ready to bake it in a preheated oven at 160 degrees centigrade or 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and it will only take you for about 12 to 15 minutes. We can brush with butter, please don't forget to brush generously for the second time to make it buttery. And I love cheese, so you can have lots of cheese for the toppings. Same thing with the second batch in a round pan. Let's brush it with melted butter. And for the toppings as well, the grated cheese. So yeah, that's it. Let it cool. And then this really smells so good, so soft. So I hope you'll try it. Thanks for watching. And again, don't forget, please share, like, and subscribe if you haven't done yet. Also, leave your comments below as I'd love to read them. Till my next video.